So before I get to the amp dyno testing on this Bermans 5000.1, I want to show you a little something about clamping power. All right. Now I will say I do like this amplifier, by the way. For the price that you pay for it, it is an extremely good deal. But on this video, I'm going to show you. All right, I'm going to go 40 hertz. Track 1 is 40 hertz at 0 dB. Let me get this remote wire out of the way so you can see. And let me turn my light off. That's better. So, track 1, it's off the DD1 CD, 40 hertz, 0 dB, 5-minute track. So, I'm going to set this to max. And it's got both powers and both grounds connected, and you can clamp the power or the ground. It doesn't matter. You just can't clamp both at the same time. It's the power or the ground. Same thing with the speaker outputs, the positive or the negative, not both at the same time. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clamp one wire, and then I'm going to clamp the other wire, and then I'm going to clamp both wires together. And I'm going to show you that, these are equal length wires. They're connected to the same aluminum angle bus bar. I have wire ferrules on all of the connections at the amplifier, and I have all copper terminals on the other end, and they're all bolted tight. The connections are clean. All of them is done the same way. So here's wire 1, and all I'm going to do is unpause it. All right, so 63.4 amps of current, right? Okay, now I'm going to clear this out. So remember that number, 63.4. Put it back on maximum. So this one should equal 63.4 as well, correct? Because we got 2 wires, right? So all I'm going to do is unpause the track. 39.1. So 63.4 and 39.1. That's what, 104, about 103 and a half. So now I'm going to clamp both wires and clear it out and put it back on maximum. I'm going to do is unpause the track again. So there we go, 104.4 amps of current. That's what that amplifier drew, 104.5 amps of current. But as you've seen, this wire, it drew 60 amps of current, 63, 61.7. And this one drew, what was it, 30, 40 amps? So why is that? That's because electricity will find its way through the path of least resistance. Now these are equal lengths of wire. All four of these, they're equal lengths. I cut them the exact same length when I made this setup. They all have wire ferrules. They all have the same copper terminals. They're all crimped the same. They're the same type of wire. They're the Lanzar Pro silver tinned OFC, the 1/0 silver tinned OFC. It's like 5,000 some odd strands, whatever. So the reason I'm pointing this out is I've seen some amp dyno videos where people have clamped one wire because their clamp jaws were not big enough to go around all the wires, and then they just doubled the current. They doubled the number that was on the screen, and that is not accurate. You have to clamp all of the wires to get an accurate reading. All right, so that's it for this one. Let's go to the next video and see what kind of power this amplifier puts out.